Hello, this is Andrea with Yarn Packamama, and today we're going to be going over the puff stitch. I've already created a base of single crochet so that I can have a nice base to start my puffs. And let's get started. So for this tutorial, I'm going to chain 1 and 2 for my turning chain just to have a complementary sized stitch next to my puff stitch, and then I'm going to work into this next one. And the way that you work a puff stitch is that you, in your desired space or stitch, you insert your hook, pull up a loop, and pull it up to be nice and high. You want to keep these loose. Yarn over, and then you go back in, yarn over again after you pull up a loop. And you can do this as many or as few times as you like, depending on how puffy and wide you want your puff stitch. So I've done it 1, 2, 3 times. I've pulled up a loop 3 times, and that's what I'm going to do. And then once you have the desired amount of loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over 1 more time and pull through all of the stitches, or all of the loops, excuse me, on the hook. And then you're going to chain 1 to secure that puff stitch. And for this stitch pattern, I'm going to do 2 single crochets in between each puff to give some space. So again, to do a puff in this next stitch, I'm going to insert my hook, drop a loop, make it nice and loose, yarn over, do that again, and that's 3 for me. Yarn over, pull through all loops, yarn over, and secure with a chain. 1 more time, I'm going to do 2 single crochets in between, and here we go. 1 more time. Puff stitch is insert your hook, draw up a loop nice and loose, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw up a loop out of your stitch, and yarn over. For me that was 3, and secure with the chain. And as you can see, you have these little puffs that pop up. And puffs are great for making shapes or spelling out words. I've seen a pattern, excuse me, where someone used puff stitches to spell out someone's name on a blanket. And it's just a great stitch for creating some texture. And that's all there is to it. I'm going to finish out this row just to show you what 1 row of puff stitches look like. These puffs pretty small, and there we have it, a puff stitch with a single crochet base. You can also do it with double crochet, treble crochet as well. So thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more stitch tutorials.